No community in Ghana can compete with Asante. God gave them the lead. We have prepared everything, every arrangement. And some of forecast no two form enumerate on front tama. Your hotel no na it say Otumfuo Osei Tutu II is on his way from Manchia Palace to Babayara Stadium. Do you know how I got to the stadium? By motor. Me no brother Richard Robert in Okada because he see no nothing na yirimu omuye na is bema share unti ase Otumfuo Osei Tutu is coming to the crusade. Then I'm who says that is the first time Otumfuo has come to a crusade. Ebe hu nyame to Asantehene.
Say anyone so TVGH abusia and dey so TVGH. Unya subscribe channel, no subscribe, no like, no comment. No share am for so nya dey. Ahwe an yeah and pepe. And let's say that for I am also for Alaska back up me ami na me siase no. Yeah. Me siase say apakitia ba ma hoka yemo no. Yeah. And let's say yakọ hifa. And me wo krobia Asante kotoko ho. Otumfuo opemso dikadwa fi na me. Yeah. Because and then assemble na abadi na asi dey na ba so TV4 kan hu sei bibia mai na eniema bi ekoso no ewo ye man Ghana mu no na mpesa ni bebi wo me address kakra an die din kan Ghana ye wade a ye hweso yi ye mpe ye value die wo Ghana ye value die wo ye tue de to twene ne akofa abonte so fo de ayi yi sana me ka kire wo de me de wo de wo hu ya me de me hu de me ma rectify hu no de ma dwene hu a me hu no se Ghana fo ye mpe de ye wo no ye mpe de ye wo no yikura no ye mpe de yikura no ye mpe o ye mpe ye se de ye tue de to twene bet say ye free krom ase ko be fufura ye hunya ye kwakwa ye obeka say die ntia hwe say ye wo opemso krowura sikedwa wo Ghana ha ya abrofo nyina timi free amono ni nkromkro so ba santemam ase eba say wo ba be hwe sikedwa wo hu bi da wo ba be hwe enso so ye tie mam ase ya ye timi kansem poto fa ye sikedwa ho ye kansem poto fa santeman ho ye kansem poto fa Otumfuo ho edi entia eye ni bra na wotan because ye wo ha sei ena British foi ene Asantefo kontokwa ema ye defeat wo mo omu defeat ye bidie enso mo ne enkromkromfo mo ko fa nkofo be fufura mensa mo ntuma defeat enso ko mo ntuma mo fisikadwa anko ikipu ya de emre Otumfuo yi sikadwa pie mu hu ne nkofo keka ensem ko fa nkofo kan ene yan ena yasoso weda be so akonya no weda be ne ye sei ensem 77 freni mu asem ko wane nkofo kan abonte ti Ghana fo ye kuta ade ye wade ye nhwesu ye mpe ade be e wo bia na ye value but ye value obi de obi man so de chen ye de ti mu ye nyai sa ade ye no ye value de ye wo ye cherish de ye wo because ewiase ukuta ade we phone we me phone ni o me phone asai ye nkuta me yisu nie me phone nie se phone ye nkuta me se enye se ye me value ma de because anye bi ti bo ma ye man kete onyame to nsem na wonya de wo mu a ye yi a wo yisu sa ne nkese ye o man Ghana enso so ye nya ne sa ade be kuta bia ye value ye check obi de ye chen ye de hwese krobia Asante kotokoko ye etu kwan ko Trinidad Otumfuo tu kwan ko Trinidad and Tobago the way kronum nipa efuafua no gene so be tia no double kase mo boy your program mo ye na eni nipa ni na ni gene krobia Asante kotokoko because special guest ya mo invite ne man buy no wo mo hu no mo ni age so mo hu Otumfuo Osei Tutu II Asantehene ya okrobeso otowo obeni onka o Mali Asantehene Ghana esoso nti Ghana for mu yen value Asantehene mu yen so Asantehene mu yie mu yen so ni mu yie na mi hu ya nka no ni adu Mumye social media na mumye gune ni mase mumye ton mumye kan nsem we nim fa no mumye jane mwa na mumye promote na nko na pekosra pejama Ghana ani monyam yekese ene nko abotire man so bebere ba kuko wuro supermarket bia ye ton ade wo Asante drink Asante share butter Asante hwan ya twere go ho edi entia ye promote ye de enti mumye promote man nya kama ye nya wo sey no wa promote men sey no because wo sey na ye ntwema this time wa be sey no wo be Asante din ye ntwema obi wallahi this time ye gomi ye womi wa wo be bo Asante din Asante din ade enim na wo be sey no wo be social media so sey no ye ntwema obi donya me ye ntwema wo da wo di sie betwa wo di si ye betwa mumma ye de ho nya ehia ye na de ye wono no ade be wo be mo fa rumre mumma emunya du na de ye woro no ye wono no abusia emra Otumfuo pem so ekọ Trinidad and Tobago no abusia me pese wo hwe video kakra bi ba na ye hwa ade ekonya omufa so ti Otumfuo feso ne dom efekeke uwe ye host no ebodi Otumfuo Asantehene in Ghana no munya di sebodi deje wow efekeke ye efficiency ebusia remember this ye ba metro so no.
What we are assuming is unfurling. Security detail have exited, has exited rather, and so we are about to witness.
So the royal king.
Brothers and sisters.
And now they stand for his arrival.
All the way from West Africa, Ghana. Let us welcome our special guest for Emancipation 2023, His Majesty Otumfuo Osei Tutu II, the Asantehene, King of the Asante Kingdom. Once again, brothers and sisters, a warm welcome. Let our brothers and sisters from the continent feel that welcome this time. With our voices, with our hands, let us welcome His Majesty.
Yes, and as you can hear from that,
Otumfuo Osei Tutu II,
the Asantehene is here. King Otumfuo.
And our Prime Minister is receiving his and his entourage as they ascend the rise. The energy is
palpable, and you can hear. I mean, because we like fanfare and we like these sorts of things, but at the same time, the fact that it's coming from a different space, I think has a different sort of.
Every single phone is out recording and taking pictures at the moment. Generations, regardless, everybody is in awe of what is happening this morning.
And especially with regard to the young individuals that we were talking about earlier, they will be able to say that they were here
when history was made. At this point, traditional dance
question who the royal king is the one who was being shaded by the umbrella bearer, King Otumfuo Osei Tutu II, the Asantehene.
And now they will have the moment of reseating and positioning themselves on those gorgeous transition. But we will get a chance to learn whether or not this is traditional, formal way, if this is specific to the location, or if it's simple today because of the region being warm as well. It's going to be to find out.
Lost necessarily, but systematically
suppressed. Yep. Yep.
So that it's not as normalized as it would have been.
Right.
In other spaces, in other territories.
Can you imagine now that it has happened, though? Now that it has been witnessed and shared?
Abusia, ka ku medin kwa some hwe. Some ko video no. Some video no muhu me koso. The way mu say see Asante so, mu bodede ye. So mu nyame kese. Nyame kese pie, kade na efe chense. Aye de no ki som ni asom yi. Ni value de yewo. Iwi aso wo kuta de no value a, obi value wo. Anything Asantefo ye value de yewo ye so ye de kuram ye som yi. Twe ne kuta ye. Tell Asantefo ye kuta bie ye som se twe ukuro ne kuta ye. Tebusia mumye value de yewo wate. Ghana mumye value de yewo. Asanteman mumye value de yewo. Eboroman mumye value de yewo. Domain nkro mumye value de yewo. Tetteh mumye value de yewo. Nkwansa mumye value de yewo. Enkran mumye value de yewo. Voter region mumye value de yewo. Mfantimemu mankesim yene edie mu mumye value de yewo. Nzema obia tribe bia wo Ghana mumye value de yewo. Na mumye nsom ye mumye wawa ye ho mumye wawa ye die nyina na eden ye die no no. Untimi nto nsunu ngofa abo sabi ewira emfa nhemu da. Wati ase enti ye die mumye mfaro na mumye nsom yi ne nsom yi be boa ma Ghana enimu nyama na ye kese. Ghana enimu nyama na ye dey aye kese. Utu kwa abrote na ubo Asante din kwa ye ni Asante. O Ghana Asante, ufra Asante Kumase. Ede na efe tensa. Kefe. Enso nkofo bi we mu a amude mo mpene saa. Ankane dan anya onu ntino na obese no. Se ase omfa ho. Ene ne yenne, ene awie ne edisi we. Ene awie edisi o sesi edi asi we, awie saa no. Sa na ewie asete. Abusia no so nkoda. Ye papa Dr. Lawrence Tetteh so aka asem bi e afa Asantefo ho. Asanteman waka asem afa Asanteman krobi Asante kotoko ho. Na yani e kan obu no wo envi enokure ba ko pe asem nokure ye nto sebe. O say no community in Ghana ha ye betimi ne Asante ye pe da. Because Asantefo ye great. Ye greater than yes, so ye greater than any community wo Ghana ha. Dr. Lawrence Tetteh na eka onyo na meka. Dr. Lawrence Tetteh na wo kan na meka. We say there is no community in Ghana is greater than Asante region. Asantefo. Asantes are greater than any community in Ghana. Asantes are greater than any communities in Ghana. Community, Ghana communities. Asantes are greater than any community in Ghana. Nyameko Dr. Lawrence Tetteh na woka. Edi enti na wo ho a woka. Edi enti na woka sa asem. Busa ho se edi enti wa ho busa ho se edi enti na osofu mu a papa osofo de nka ono mfasa na mewe nya bibi. Edi enti na woka sa asem because wo hu se Asantefo ye superior. Asanteman ye hu ye superior like yes son. Ye great. Sikeda efresro kese efresro. Yes son. Tina ma wokasa. Ye wo hu no woka. Wo yosofo penny pa doctor me pronounce him to because man no me yada no like of respecting nipa or penny pa sem or donipa or respect you, no matter who they would be upon respect you. They would be respect you. Oh, be a canipa batana. And yes, of only been a minimum. But who be was Asantehene, who be was Asantehene. Now, what see? When you crusade, you were Kumasi Sports Stadium. When you crusade, you Kumasi Sports Stadium. And or tone safre Otumfuo Krobia Sante Kotoko Kura. Nay, and you know. And to a culture, no, Mokache, no, say, Nipana Okusin, so no say, committee, no, say, Otumfuo, dear, you made the umpi. Kora Sante Koto, won't pay numere, umpie numerenti. We said, one mat, to know him say, Otumfuo, the one mat on my program. I also said them one. And one young course say, hey, it's what Otumfuo free, a free man shaba. Kumasi Sports Stadium. One in a year na the soft bako, soft penny bako, and almost said the Musis, you want a program. What see? O January, Muda, my no money now, no Mufan, Tare say, Mufa Tare say, no one to cow, or Mutra, Kadasu, Mutu, no Mudi can call a Sports Stadium. Fekeke. Oh, wo buadie. Sofun wo bu papa no wo pem so wo respect no wo respect sikega wo respect asanteman ento hu se Otumfuo tuntu free mensia e de besia cross Sports Stadium no wo sore ye even kura e de ka se bi kura mpa wo anware mpu wo sere tra ne na top wa won tuka wan fa ba bi o ja ne ne ma de se be caps afi ne be ye be caps se se ya wo ja mo nyina wo ne ye se mo kwadam se ye intimi twa bi ko intimi twa be caps asem eno mo tra moto so kada so wote ba akoso ne won so te ba akoso eno mo pu a we do Sports Stadium no Otumfuo bae no Otumfuo bae no sabe Otumfuo betena ase e bi tie nyamesem e ma sabe wo bom paye what onim so Otumfuo be di be 10 minutes na 20 1 hour bi Otumfuo twen ya ma o ye ni ma nyina wi ansana Krobia Asante Kotoko e page ni mo akofi Intiama onsi Asanteman form onsi Krobia Asante Kotoko form da enya asori nti na oba empo like say Otumfuo the way they Otumfuo na motutu nine kura na dwobre ne ba sa crusade ni bi no onye ni bi anko omma ko be de be nya na nese omma o ga say masa be mama ade asa omma enso ba abusia entere enkotie Dr. Lawrence Tetteh embrasisia ye ba e beto asama.
No community in Ghana can compete with Asante. God gave them the lead. We have prepared everything, every arrangement. And someone forecast say no, two form back in Nimre on front Tama. Your hotel known as Tetteh say Otumfuo Osei Tutu II is on his way from Manshia Palace to Babayara Stadium. Do you know how I got to the stadium? By motor. Me no Brother Richard Robert in Okada because he see no. Nothing like Yirimu Omuye na is Bema. Share unti ase Otumfuo Osei Tutu is coming to the crusade. Then I'm home said this is the first time Otumfuo has come to a crusade. And dear nye busumsum. And dear nye busumsum kra. Serving as a royal doesn't mean fetishism. Here in Kumasi, 10 years ago, I was the main speaker for the Asantehene for Christ Crusade. Those of you who remember, I know my billboards were all over, many Dr. Richard Roberts. And I remember very well, say, yeah, Papa, yeah, Nana, Otumfuo, Otumfuo Osei Tutu II. Said, Lawrence, I will come. We have prepared everything, every arrangement. And someone forecast say, no, Otumfuo back in Nimre on front Tama. He doesn't go out in his regalia in the evening. So we panicked that, hey, it's at the stadium. It's a big thing. The whole world was watching Asantehene. Remember when the hotel, I remember that time, it was going to Limene, I done it Lancaster. When the hotel room, myself, Richard Robert, and the team, I came with a team of about 150 people. Some came on private jets. We even got the Air Force plane to also airlift some of my people, and we came. Your hotel known as Tetteh say Otumfuo Osei Tutu II is on his way from Manshia Palace to Babayara Stadium, Kumasi Sports Stadium. Trust me, do you know how I got to the stadium? By motor. Okada. Me no brother Richard Robert in Okada because he see no nothing na ye mu omo ye na say bema share unti ase Otumfuo Osei Tutu is coming to the crusade. Then na who says that is the first time Otumfuo has come to a crusade. It was a new thing. Otumfuo is a church person. It belongs to St. Cyprian. St. Cyprian so a honor year me canon. So Archbishop Yinka Safo is a father to me. They made me a canon because me Otumfuo Osei Tutu II we met with the Archbishop of Canterbury in Lambeth Palace in UK. And this whole idea was mooted, say, I have to be made the honorary canon of the Anglican Church, which is the Church of England in the UK. So by courtesy of Otumfuo and Archbishop Yinka Safo, no, it happens, say, ye may or Kumase. Some say, the phone say, ye Kumase dia. Otumfuo, when it's not Kumase, his endorsement needs. You have to come and do it in Kumase. Oh,
for Christ Crusade.
Yes. So it was a great time. And Otumfuo Osei Tutu II himself was there. We sang, we preached. He was part of the program. He was even honored by the Oral Roberts University during that time. And it was a big thing. Otumfuo came for the opening ceremony and also was with us at the Master Sports Stadium in the evening. Me can say it's not possible. No. I'm happy to say 10 years down the line, no. But that time, so now, Otumfuo Mami Tiasi. Oh, may her soul rest in peace. That woman was an exceptional. Even time now, they knew who I did, Papa don't cry. When you get into the place, no, he knows your presence. There was some exceptional presence that mother of ours, the Queen Mother, had. And so, Asante, mind me back, Asante ma, my befi. And what most people also don't realize and say, Ebe hu nyame through Asantefo.
Oh, really?
Yes. The person who led me to the Lord is a Ramako of blessed memory. And Sakose Mako. Oh no, nah. He led me to the Lord in the early 80s. Inti Santase de na metaba Santase pa. And Bramako crusades no yeah no until say me nya scholarship and me fa me free Ghana ko Brochimam no. I left for Europe very early. I left in my early 20s because I studied in Budapest University of Economic Sciences. Number 2, I saw London School of Economics. Me do London School of Economics. Now me share girl do not adopt me team. Me do don't too much. She fell in love with me, so I decided to marry. She's called Barbara. So since '86, I've virtually not been in Ghana. I've been in Europe. But even when I was in Europe, no, my programs were being shown here constantly. I think I've been one of the longest standing TV personality in Ghana because my programs, even when most pastors didn't know what TV was as it is today, you know, God gave me that revelation. So I had what we call Church Without Walls. That most of you here, some of you were very young when we were watching me on TV. It's the same Lawrence Tetteh here. He has not changed.
You still look young.
Yes. Nyamisompa apeni womo enu na faso wo soa. Nyamisompa apeni womo enu na faso wo so. Obia ni ho osomo no yia wama neni megwase. Inti nyamise wanise shemimo. So you don't change. God builds you, He helps you, He guides you, He protects you. Obia ni ho de ni hutu nyamiso man neni megwase.
I was here didn't say no one so TVGH. I was here some of her papa. Dr. Lawrence Tetteh. What you say no kind. And send more say what Asante say. What Asante bako semna Asante mamera say. One would you seek? Oh, so can you make on? Your papa, Dr. Lawrence Tetteh, can say. Oh, indeed, I can't say, Mr. Todd Beer, save you, so won't timini yet back one men yet. And send one as a way at the head. They say, we had there no tomb but near Asante, Untimia, Asantehene, be a mood da. We put a can tell on to Asante da, as someone did tomb. Tabusia, Umian tomb. Near you come in your back. Near come where your ten say, you better what Timmy were coming, but Timmy were coming seminar. What is it? It been a so for crack you to move for the can't consider baby. ye nyina ba ko e bo ni Asante be kam se bo ni Asante ye ba ko pa e wi ba ko e bo kam mu yen kan ni nye ba ko ni ye ba ko be boy nyina what ya say enye da bia na sei woni de wo praise Asante de wo hu Asante mem de wo hu Otumfuo ho de wo hu Opemso ho e wo praise no nye bibia wo hu bibi so anko nka wo se oba e ko ye so wo ma wo e so wo ma eso we de wo mba wontimi ma Otumfuo ntimi nsi fo mba nso hwani ade o hwani mo nyam hye wo de share no ate wo asem wo kan ate wo nye na asem wo bet wasakofa beka because o yes crusade na o yes program na o yes no Kumasi Sports Stadium na nye program ketwa ya Opemso na ni mo nyam beta na chi da bia wo bompa ma ko be Asante kotako because ne o hye ni mo nyam because obi a wan fa ne car kora na ba mo tena motu so no they be do Kumasi Sports Stadium because won pa sem say wa be do na no me do no obu ade o respect ade ntia sinema ne basa ntia busia enye easy efe ti ya ne ye hwe no ni ma bibi won ma ya na efe kama waka ade bi won na efa no waka enye fa no waka enye fe busia mo ka no enye fe efe ese fata etino abusia ye nse dan kasa kese eja ise ka kumezi kwa buo no ni kotie bae no Dr. Lawrence Tetteh akasa wa chirechire mu wo si Asante try obi enu wo Ghana ha si ya obetumi Asante aye in terms of we bia mu obetumi Asante is unique onyankopon wo sheda pana o create Asante fo create o ma ka de yenwene wo mu mesirawo nka hwe ye nyina ba ko agoro ye nyina ba ko sabio Opemso sabio nanado ma hene o sabio bonofu tachimanfu nkranson hwan sampafu obi amfante anwore ye nyina ba ko utwa ho moja ba ko firi ho same thing fi obi anwo ba ye nyenyi mu Asante nyenyi mu ha ntire omo ewe tire omo to ayampia ne maba no munyai emwa dachi bi okase ye kan yo o me mfat adi bi mi shape trima ni mu nkura ni mu mba e show mu trima bedru dachi bi no e time ba da Asante ne bonontam ya emwa eni de ye hu bi o ye hu se normal e hu nya because me kwakumi o kan asem fa bunu ni wo me tie kwa because ni nua no ade ase you matter what ni nua na kwa politician wo hu so mo ko radio so mo behia mo nyina ba ko ane tie e dia busua me kasa kese edine kwaku Alaska ba ko pe wunya subscribe channel no subscribe si no like no comment no share ma ofro so nya bi de ahwe edine ye so tvgh ai so tvgh subscribe si ma wate abusa madi mosia da sene beto aso mo pia.
So thank you for watching the video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And thank you to those who are about to subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel and share and like the videos that I give you.